Hi, I'm Agnishwar Jayaprakash, founder CEO of Garuda Aerospace, India's largest Make in India drone startup. In the Atmanirbhar and Make in India movement, Garuda Aerospace has taken a lead in recently being launched by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, where 100 drones simultaneously took off in 100 villages all across the country. After which, Lieutenant Colonel Mahendra Singh Dhoni has become our shareholder and brand ambassador as well. We've also deployed drones all across the country for the survey of India, where we have mapped over 7,000 villages. We have designed the Kisan drones, which were used for increasing food crop productivity by spraying pesticides and fertilizers and also reducing the cost for our farmers. Our mission has been Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind, and developing indigenous drones which are affordable for our Jawans, our Kisans, as well as for our countrymen has been the priority of Garuda Aerospace. And today we saw in this Defense Expo the Vajra drone, which is a made in India jet-powered drone capable of 6 hours of endurance, 160 kilometer range, 30 meter per second speed, 5 to 7 kilogram of payload. It has anti-radar capabilities, and it has a ceiling height of about 12,000 feet. It has been a pleasure to have Army officials, the Air Force Chief, as well as members from the Navy come in and marvel at this drone, and also giving us an opportunity to showcase in the next coming months. At the same time, we are very committed to serve the forces using our vertical takeoff and landing VTOL drones, our delivery drones, and we have been committed to serve our country. I am an Asian gold medalist in the sport of swimming formerly, and I'm an alumni of the Harvard Business School. But at the same time, we also focus on a lot of partnerships. Recently, we had an amazing partnership for software from Lockheed Martin. The CDL system Lockheed Martin partnership with Garuda Aerospace is historic, because in the entire DEFEXPO, Lockheed Martin has signed only one MOU, and that is with Garuda Aerospace. We've also signed a partnership with Elbit Systems, and tomorrow we will be partnering with the Belarus government as well. So a lot of amazing developments has happened in the Defense Expo, and I thank Shri Narendra Modi ji for progressive policies in the drone segment, which is the sole reason why startups like Garuda Aerospace has raised tremendous investments, and we are currently in the midst of a $30 million fundraise at $250 million valuation, and this has been significant because now we are able to be defense offset manufacturing partners for so many different foreign defense contractors, and we believe with our team of 250 youngsters, we are just getting started, and we are very committed to serve our country. Jai Hind.